So guys, this will be the first video that I will be posting on wanting a Honda Civic. Pero the twist is we will be starting from zero. No job, no nothing, no money. So I'm a 26 years old guy, still studying bachelor in business administration, marketing management. So if you have guys like mga racket, mga pwede natin magkakitaan para matupad yung Honda Civic natin, message nyo lang, comment nyo lang guys. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, well appreciated lahat ng mga tulong o mga support na ibibigay ninyo. Siguro ngayon, first day, first vlog natin sa Honda Civic na to. Might be hindi siya parang hindi siya consistent pa, but I'll try my best to daily vlog, I guess. Pero kasi bakit naman magde-daily vlog ka, wala ka namang content dahil hindi naman magkakaroon ng pera bukas di ba? Pero as soon as may maisip ako na pwede nating content for the vlog para sa from zero to Honda Civic natin na playlist, I will be capturing that moment. Okay guys, so this is just a short video. Gusto ko lang naman na ipaalam sa inyo na gusto ko mag Honda Civic. So mahaba-haba itong proseso. Uy shit, I thought it was something. I'm so sorry. Nagulat ako, kala ko may lumabas sa screen ko, notification pala yun. Anyway, so ayun guys, zero to Honda Civic. Talagang I will be putting my blood and sweat and tears lahat na and on this one, just to make sure that I will be driving a Honda Civic at the end of this video. Not this one, but this episode. So ayun lang guys. Siguro bukas ulit sasabihin ko kung meron na wala. Then alam naman natin ang mga basic na sasabihin na para makakuha ka ng Honda Civic, magtrabaho ka, ganyan. Yes, but the point of this series will be from zero. Yun nga, from zero. No money, no job. So maghahanap tayo ng ways or jobs para kumita ng pera, para makabili tayo. Okay? So yeah, just to give you an heads up, meron akong application na ongoing as a VA, pero not quite sure yet. Pero I will be taking challenges from you guys if you have some meron kayong mga gusto nyo ipatrabaho sa akin, okay, tutor, anything. Pero syempre yung maayos naman, no? Yung mabibideo natin, hindi tayo ma-demonetize. Pero ayun nga, I will be taking some challenges from you guys kung anong kaya natin gawin para mapabilis yung paggawa natin ng Honda Civic. And I appreciate y'all. So yeah, good luck na lang sa akin, and that's it. Bye bye.